say this is intelligent. Is intelligent means that use a smartphone. Android system is the best system in the OS of a smartphone. And the medication is a problem which we wanted to solve. And we wanted to make it to solve the problem. Okay. Everybody all around the world, we think that they have his or her own dreams. Am I not an exception? For example, in the history, Dr. King, who said that he had the dream, and finally, his dream realized. And this dream is a great dream because it changed the human being's history. As a high-educated student, we wanted to solve a problem which can change the human being's life again. Okay, so now I have a dream too. And next, I want to tell everyone our system to the problem. To United Nations tell us that there are a very serious problem in our society. Did you know what the problem is? Yes, aging society. At the 2000 years, there is 13% old people in our world. And if we got to 2020, it will be 17.7% old people in our world. It means what? There is the percent of chronic disease of old person. 11% are healthy. They are fine. But another 89% person, they have more than one kind of chronic disease. And I'm sorry to hear that 64% people has more than 2. Okay, for example, my grandmother who gets 2 chronic disease, just 2. But she should take more than 10 kinds of medicine a day. So let's see this. Taking medicine in our life is really a normal behavior. And we always ignore its importance. In Shanghai Food and Drugs Administration tells us that there are more than 10,000 people die in taking wrong medicine per year. How do you think? This system can save someone's life, and this someone could be very, very close to you. And finally, this system will be very, very great. And this is our system, just like this. A smartphone, we use HTC Design X. It's an Android system OS. And we use the Bluetooth communicating to the FPGA to send the command to the robotic arms. And we let the robotic arm to take the medicine to the medicine basket. Just that's what you have to see. And for this system, we see there is a problem, just like traveling salesman problem. This part is the definition of TSP. And this is our system. One is the location of the first medicine, and 2, 3, 4 or other medicines. And the 5 means that is the basket. is a medicine basket, and the center part is our robotic arm, just like this. And how do we build the application of the smartphone? I never write Java, but I use the Google App Inventor to build this application. At first, I make the link button is enabled, others are disabled. Means that you should link the Bluetooth device first, and after you press the button, others will be enabled, and the link will be disabled. And after you use the system, you should press the disconnect button to disconnect the Bluetooth device. And this is the after. This is our circuit system in the FPGA. We use the Bluetooth device to build on the RS-232 port, just like this, here. Then I make the RS-232 circuit module to take the signal of TX and RX. Then we send the command to the SOPC. I build the SOPC on the chip, and the factor of the SOPC is decoder. It decodes the command from the smartphone, and after decoding, it sends a message to the judge module. It means that I want to know where the location of the robotic arm for every motor. It judges the PWM signal. Is there the location we want? If not, it will do increasing or decreasing per 0.1 second. And finally, if the location is what we want, it will stop. And is always at the 50 mega clock to the circuit, and it always sends a message to the PWM signal creator. It means that I want to let this signal to build the PWM signal, to let the robotic arm, the servo motor, to rotate it. And after the PWM signal is created, we let it to go four ports for the GPIO1. Just like what you see. GPIO1, 0, 1, 3, and 5. By this wire, I link to the servo motor. And finally, it let the servo motor to rotate it. And this is the first time. This is the first time that our lab to join this contest. And this system, in this half year, we built it. So we built it, start from zero, from nothing. But I think for the problem of taking medicine, finally, the system is really can save someone's life. So nowadays, in the future, the zero who will really become a hero. And finally, I want to thank for the Terex and Altera to let us have the stage to tell everyone our dreams, to tell everyone the dangers, to tell everyone what we want to do. And very thank you very much.